Hi, I'm Claire. This practice today is a visualization practice. We'll be using your mind and creativity to help you get more grounded and more present just in this moment right now. Hopefully this meditation will also give you a little bit of a positive attitude and make you feel good as you begin your day. So to begin with, we'll want to find a comfortable seat, any comfortable cross-legged position. You can sit up on a cushion or you could sit on a chair. The big key that we want to have in the meditation practice is a straight vertical spine. So try not to be slouching back or leaning back on anything. Hands on your legs wherever they fall naturally, and feel just a nice lift through your chest, as if the crown of your head and the ceiling had magnetic energy. You could just kind of lift up through your heart and the crown of your head a little taller. We'll begin just with a nice deep breath in through the nose. And just open your mouth, exhale. Notice with that exhale, there's a softening, right? Big breath in. And then just feel your shoulders, exhale, relaxing down away from the ears. And again, eyes here can be open or closed, whatever feels best to you. Remember, if you're keeping your eyes open, you want to have the gaze down on the floor just so that you don't have any distractions from the things around you. If your eyes are closed for this visualization, it does make it a little bit easier. So you can have your eyes closed here, relax your jaw. And take a pause as we begin this practice just to tune into your breath. And just notice here that sensation of your inhale and your exhale. And if you notice that you become distracted or you start to think about something else as we're in this meditation practice today, feel free to just take a pause, recognize what you're thinking about. See if you can just let it go without any judgment and just return back to your breath, return back to my voice, and return back to the visualization. So take a moment here and in your mind's eye, just think of a place that you've been to that's like your favorite place. It can be a beach somewhere or a forest, a mountain. It could even be a room in your own home or someone else's home, somewhere you've been where you feel safe and comfortable and grounded. And imagine yourself in this space with all of the external feeling sensations that are there. Maybe the sun on your skin or the air touching your body. Maybe this place has a certain smell or a certain color, a certain feeling attached to it that feels strong in your mind. See if you can imagine yourself in this space, sitting there right now and tuning into your breath. And notice as you visualize yourself in this special place, how do you feel in your mind? Is there a sense of relaxation or clarity, a sense of feeling grounded or open? A positivity that this space, this place brings to your heart and to your mind. And as you're sitting here, just think of one word that you think of when you think of this special place in your mind. And just repeat that word in your mind just a couple times right here, right now. And then for just the next 3 breaths, say the words, I am, in front of your word. So if this place makes you feel relaxed, and that was your word, you could say, I am relaxed, or I am love, or I am open. Whatever this place signifies for you, represents for you, see if you can really invite that in fully into your own being just right here in this moment. Take one more deep breath. And as you exhale, open your mouth and let everything go. And gently open your eyes. Remember that you always have this place within you and that you always have the opportunity to come back to this space to find this healing for yourself.